Welcome back for another episode of my Tesla Robotaxi video series. Here we are being picked up from the previous dropout location of St. Edward's University, and we navigate to Target once again. This route is actually fairly complex because there's just so many turns and speed bumps. Not so much traffic or pedestrians, but there is some that we come across and the vehicle responds very well with. So anyways, let's go for a ride and see how Robotaxi handles this route. So for the next 3 to 4 minutes, you're going to see the car traverse speed bump after speed bump. And of all the routes I've done so far, this route had the most speed bumps by far. But the great news is that Robotaxi detects each one properly and slowed for them nicely, and everything was comfortable the whole way. So I just can't believe how many speed bumps there are in the Austin area, though, especially in the geofence. It just blows my mind. Just so many. So once again, Robotaxi is taking this tight curve that we've seen maybe in a previous episode or two. Again, the car stays within the lane lines without slowing down too much. And then we have some of those pedestrian medians that they built in to reduce speed in the area for vehicle traffic. Some of these fits are pretty tight, and the car does a great job of confidently navigating through them. So no excessive hesitation in terms of slowing or anything like that. So just want to point out that good behavior once again. So out of view here to our right, we have a pedestrian crossing, and you won't be able to see them until right about now. And the car does a great job of just staying put. It doesn't press the accelerator, it doesn't press the brake, it go back and forth. It's completely confident in watching that pedestrian, waiting for them to get out of our path, and then proceed once they are clear. Exactly the type of behavior we want to see in a robotaxi solution. So we've entered the Target parking lot now, and we're getting really close to our drop-off pin, which is just past the front door. Due to the way this parking lot is set up, it's extremely narrow. You don't want to do what this person's doing and block the entire lane of traffic where nobody can go around you. It's because there are cones in the middle that divide the lanes. So the car is going to drop us off just past the stop sign doorway here, but we got to first wait for these pedestrians to get out of the way first. So once they're clear, the car inches forward, stops at the stop sign, a complete stop as it should, and then proceeds forward here. And rather than park like it did in my ride the day before, the car actually finds a spot on the right there where there's no cars parked, and then just pulls over and then stops right here, which is great behavior. I can't really decide which is better behavior. I like both, but overall, again, though, another great ride from Robotaxi. no hesitations, and no interventions once again. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.